All right, let's dive into the world of English grammar and explore the fascinating differences between the present simple and present continuous tenses. These two tenses are like the dynamic duo of English grammar, each with its own superpowers when it comes to describing actions happening now. First up, we have the present simple tense. This trusty tense is your go-to for describing habits, like my daily ritual of studying English. It's also perfect for stating general truths, such as the fact that water always boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Need to talk about schedules or permanent situations? The present simple has got your back, whether it's the train leaving at 5 p.m. or the unchanging fact that I live in New York. On the other hand, we have the present continuous tense, which adds a touch of immediacy to our descriptions. This tense is all about temporary actions, like me studying for an exam right now. It shines when it comes to changing situations, such as a company expanding its operations or actions in progress, like my ongoing journey of learning French for 3 months. And let's not forget about future plans. The present continuous can handle those too, like my upcoming meeting with a friend tomorrow. Now, let's put our knowledge to the test with some examples. Are you ready? Here we go. I am studying for an exam right now. Present continuous. I study English every day. Present simple. The company is expanding its operations next year. Present continuous. The company has offices in 5 countries. Present simple. By mastering these key differences between the present simple and present continuous tenses, you'll be able to communicate effectively and convey your intended meaning with precision. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your grammar skills and watch your English proficiency soar. So, there you have it, a brief yet insightful journey into the world of English grammar. Keep practicing, keep learning, and before you know it, you'll be a grammar guru in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy learning.